Well, it's a very important question to know whether or not the change in our diets over the last 20th century have affected our kids' brains and made them more vulnerable to stress and vulnerable to angry outcomes and poor learning, or whether it's improved them. You know, we've had a lot of interest in dietary fats and how they might affect heart disease and the health of the heart. So it's very important to ask this question about how it affects the mental health of children. So we have long been interested in whether or not dietary fats can change very fundamental and basic problematic behaviors with kids, their aggression and their violence. And we recently published a trial with Adrian Rain where we took kids who had conduct disorders and delinquency, really disruptive behaviors, and gave them omega-3 fatty acids compared to a fake juice box, gave it to them for 6 months, and then looked at their behaviors, not only at 6 months, but at 12 months when they hadn't been taking the oils for 6 months. But we also looked at their parents' behaviors. And we found a really remarkable, robust effect. The aggression and the delinquency in the kids went down by 60% just by restoring this one essential nutrient to their brain and helping their brains function as they should always. Now it reduced the kids' feelings of internalizing problems like depression and anxiety. And so they got better, but we also found something really remarkable. The kids got the omega-3s, and the parents had big reductions in their sociopathy, in their problems, in their cold-heartedness, in the parents' poor behaviors with the children. So we really demonstrated that fixing the nutrition of kids' brains and restoring it to what it should have been all along had a spreading effect, first here to the family. And we could only imagine that if you took a whole community and restored the omega-3 content, that you'd have a spreading, peaceful, more cohesive effect among people. And it really brings up the following argument in a different way. And that is, has the cheap food that's been available in food deserts, has that created brain nutrient deserts? And have the brain nutrient deserts helped to create poverty by increasing disruption and aggression in school, by impairing learning? And maybe what we think of as problematic behaviors in neighborhoods is really due to brain nutrient deficiencies that we can fix.